Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time on this channel, let me just welcome you. And for those of you guys who have subscribed, I just want to say thank you so much for your support. And guys, if you're new, you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And even if you're not new and you know that you haven't subscribed, actually, please subscribe, like the video, and also guys, hit that bell button up there so that every time when I post a new video, you get the notifications. So today guys, we're going to talk about on how to make money teaching English or any subject online. So I have three websites or three platforms that you can work as an English teacher or any language or any subject actually online and get to make money. So the first website that I just want to talk to you about is Preply. So I know some of you guys might be familiar with it. You might have heard about it, but you find that maybe you never took an action. But some of you guys, it might be for the first time that you hear about Preply. It's one of the popular actually platforms where you get to teach English. The next part, you don't only teach English on this platform, even other language, not other languages, basically other subjects, because I know someone who's teaching chemistry on that platform and she's making it big, guys. She's making a lot of money. But even if maybe you don't teach any subject, you can just teach English there. There are a lot of people actually around the world in non-English speaking countries who are going to that platform actually to find people that can help them to improve their English speaking. So it's one of the good platforms, guys, that I really recommend. Actually, I highly recommend that you go on that platform, actually get registered and start teaching, then make money. So how do you register on this platform on Preply? Firstly, you need to you sign up basically, and then create your profile. And on your profile, one of the requirements actually is to upload your photo. So make sure that you upload the good photo, but I'm sure they have the guidelines on what kind of picture actually or photo maybe they want. And then the other thing which is very important, guys, it's the video. You're going to shoot a video, an introduction video, and make sure that when you do that, you do the good introduction video, because that's what is going to attract the students actually to book you as their teacher, either for English or for any subject that you will be teaching on the platform. And then fill in all the other necessary information, and then after that you submit your application. So they normally take 5 working days to actually give you the feedback whether you succeeded or not. At the next part, there are no interviews. Actually, there's no interviews, no tests, and then you just submit your application. Actually, they're going to review it, and then after reviewing your application, if you succeed, they'll just let you know that you're okay, you're good to go, and then you can now start to work on the platform. The next part about this platform, guys, is that you get to set your own rate. So yes, for the first or maybe the first lessons, yes, the first lessons you have with every new student, actually you don't get anything. The trial lesson, they call them, or maybe they are called the trial lessons. You don't get paid anything. The money goes to Preply. But from the second lesson, basically you just start to get something, you just start to get your money. So what I've learned is on this platform, the popular tutors, they make around $550 per week. So yeah, it's a good money, guys. If you go there and then register and then start to work in there, you can teach anything: accounting, language, English language, chemistry, finance, programming. There are a lot of things that you can teach on this platform. So please take that advantage. And the other thing, guys, or maybe how they pay, because let's just talk about the payment, because I showed that you set your own rate. There's no fixed rate, so you get to set your own rate, how much you want to charge the student. So in terms of you getting your payment, they pay via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, yeah, PayPal, Payoneer, and Skrill. So you choose which one it's good for you. Yeah, because you know PayPal is not always available in most of the countries, more especially when you talk of or when you talk about African countries. So the one which I think maybe it's available is Payoneer. So you'll just see which one maybe you can use, or maybe which can benefit you. The second platform or website where you can teach English is called Ingo or Engo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but on this platform, most of the students are from Japan and Taiwan, and there are still other students from other countries. So for you to, or maybe the way to register, or maybe to become a tutor or a English teacher on this platform, firstly you need to register, and you go to the website, actually ingo.com, and then you register there, become a tutor. Actually, you register. When you register, you fill in your information, you sign up, and then after signing up, you fill your personal details, and then after filling your personal details or giving the information that they will need for you to register, you will take the English test and then do the internet connection test. So for the English test, guys, it's a simple English, but I would advise you to go to, maybe for you to get ready or maybe to feel confident, go to YouTube. I know there are videos actually that you can find of people who did take the similar exam or English test. Watch them, because they will prepare you, they will make you know what is it that you should expect, and then after you can attempt the test. Actually, for the connection test, what they test there, they test your browser, the speed of your internet, they check if they are compatible with their system. Yeah, if you pass those, then you pass the English test, and then you pass the equipment test, and then you go to the next stage. So the next stage, that's where they send you the training material. So with this training material, you go through the material, and the advice again, guys, that I give you is go to YouTube again, because I know there are videos again of people who did take the similar similar training, and they will guide you, and then you'll get to know the mistakes that you shouldn't make, the things that you should do, because when you completed this training, you're going to do a demo lesson where one of the staff, they're going to act as the student, and then you're as the student actually, and then you are going to be the teacher now teaching this person, because they're going to see if maybe you understand, or maybe like your confidence. They're going to test a lot of things. So it's best that you go on YouTube and then watch some videos of people who did take the similar test, or maybe people who did the similar test, who did the test for the same company that you are going to interview for. So yeah, and then after that you go and do the demo lesson, and then after demo lesson, if you pass it, actually you start to work on the platform. So they have the requirements for you to apply, or maybe to work on the platform. Firstly, you need to be 18 and above, you need to be proficient in English, you need to have a laptop or desktop, you need to have a high-speed internet connection, you need to have a headset and a webcam. So they pay around that actually their rate is fixed, it's $11 per hour. So you can also try them, because they're hiring now. You can just apply and then go through all the steps, but make sure that, I think what is important here is that you should have the equipment, because they're going to test the equipment, if the equipment is compatible with their system. So yeah, please guys, check them out, go to their website, and then start applying right now, because they are hiring. So guys, the third platform, which is very good, actually, it's Amazing Talker. So Amazing Talker, at first I thought it's one of the English teaching platforms where you can register and teach only English. Basically, I thought it's a language teaching or learning platform, but I found out that it's not only you cannot only teach English on that platform. You teach almost everything, you know. programming, business studies, accounting, cooking. If you're a chef, you can have the lessons there. And then if like yoga, like almost everything, guys, on this platform you can teach. And the nice part is you are able to set your own rate, and you are teaching the adults 18 and above. So you are able to set your own rate. So, and the average rate that you can charge, guys, is $27. That's a lot of money, guys. $27, and they are hiring right now, guys. So if you want to check them out, I would encourage you to check them out. So they provide flexible schedule. Also, there are no minimum hours per week or maximum hours per week like other platforms where they would want you to complete certain amount of hours per week. No, here they're not there. Actually, it's more flexible. You get to do things actually when you want. Basically, you set your own hours that you feel like you'll be free, or maybe you'll be available around this time, and then start teach people online and then make money. So guys, I just want to say, like, always, guys, please take action after this. Go to these websites, guys, and then check them out. Start to apply. I'm telling you that they're hiring right now. And if you can go to Amazing Talk and then check some of the things that will blow your mind. So just go and check them out and then just apply and then start to make money. So like I always say, take action. That's what separates you from the rest of the world, I mean from the rest of the people, not world, from the rest of the people. So take the action. So yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and then please subscribe and please share the video with someone else. You never know, you might be helping that person, when you share it with the person. Say, hey, let me just share this with you, and the person might go and then apply. So the person might be out there looking for the opportunities. You never know, like when you send it to the person, you might be making a difference in that person's life. So please do that. Consider sharing it with other people, but don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this video. So guys, up until I see you again next time on the next video, I just want to say bye bye.